right, y'all enjoy your breakfast.
Appreciate that.
Yes, imagine a train of them. Yes, I'm looking forward to it. Yeah. Yeah, Stormy.
My seat doesn't move because there's the subwoofer under it, but the pedals do move if they feel too close.